It's Friday 17th January, and the markets are facing a mixed bag of results. The Sensex and Nifty saw a downturn, with both indices closing in the red after a day of consolidation. Let's break down the key market moves and corporate earnings from today. The Nifty ended down by 108 points at 23,203, while the Sensex closed lower by 423 points at 76,619. Market breadth reflected mixed sentiment, with 2,065 stocks advancing and 1,877 declining. IT and bank indices saw notable losses, each shading 2%. However, gains of 1% in sectors like oil and gas, realty, FMCG, and metals offered a measure of stability amid the broader market weakness. BPCL, Reliance Industries, Coal India, Hindalco Industries, and Nestle India led the gains, offering some relief to the indices. Conversely, Infosys, Axis Bank, Shriram Finance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Wipro emerged as the top losers, weighing on the market sentiment. The rupee closed 1 paisa lower at 86.62 against the US dollar on Friday, trading in a tight range amid foreign fund outflows and weaker domestic equities. A strong dollar index and higher Brent crude prices added pressure. FII sold equities worth 4,341.95 crore rupees, weighing further on sentiment. Wipro's Q3 FY25 results showed a 0.51% YoY rise in revenue, reaching 22,318.8 crore rupees. Net profit surged 24.48% YoY to 3,353.8 crore rupees. The company declared an interim dividend of 6 rupee per share, with a record date of 28 January. Tech Mahindra reported impressive Q3 FY25 results, with a 93% surge in net profit, reaching 983 crore rupees compared to 510 crore rupees last year. Revenue from operations grew by 1.4% YoY to 13,286 crore rupees. The company's EBITDA for the quarter stood at 1,809 crore rupees. The broader markets showed modest outperformance compared to the benchmarks. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 rose by 0.23%, while the Small-Cap 100 gained 0.16%. This slight outperformance suggests some positive movement in mid- and small-cap stocks, indicating a gradual shift in market sentiment. Gold prices slipped slightly on Friday, trading at $2,710, down 0.15%, yet remained on track for a third straight weekly gain. Investors weighed softer inflation data and dovish signals from the Federal Reserve, which hinted at potential rate cuts later this year. Lower U.S. Treasury yields further bolstered gold's outlook. SBI Life Insurance posted a strong Q3 FY25 performance, with net profit surging by 71.2% YoY to 550.82 crore rupees, driven by robust premium collections. Net premium income climbed 11% YoY to 24,828 crore rupees, with a notable 22% QoQ rise. Renewal premiums grew 14% YoY to 14,468 crore rupees. ICICI Lombard delivered robust Q3 FY25 results, with net profit soaring 68% year-on-year to 724.38 crore rupees, compared to 431.46 crore rupees a year ago. Total income from operations climbed 17% to 5,883 crore rupees, showcasing steady growth. Zio Financial Services posted a 0.3% rise in Q3 net profit to 294.8 crore rupees, with revenue up 6% to 438.4 crore rupees. AUM surged to 4,199 crore rupees, and the CASA base grew 25% quarter-on-quarter to 1.89 million. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.